It's a real Moorish toast. Let's make it together. Slice the green onion. Green onion is always served as a garnish, but today it's the main one. I use about 1 green onion. Add 3 spoons of mayonnaise to the spring onions and 2 spoons of honey. You can replace it with condensed milk or sugar. Mix them well. Then add 1 spoon of butter. It's the combination that can be tasteless, but don't worry, if you eat it deliciously, it has 0 calories. Mix them well, and sauce is done. I will use both baguette and white bread. Press the center of the bread with a spoon to make space for the green onion sauce. Just press it lightly. Put the sauce you made earlier on the bread. Spread it on top of the baguette. And I have chopped onion left over from cooking last night, so I will put it on the last bread and spread it. Let's compare the taste. Mix well again and then put it on the last bread. A slice of cheese, which is a kind of chetki when cooking, I think, is also placed on the bread. Bake in the oven at 190 degrees for 10 minutes. You can also use a microwave. It's well baked. Toast is completed. It's good with coffee or milk. Crispy and yummy. Thank you for watching.